Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are trying to decide between the ACER Aspire XC-1780 and the HP Slim S01-pF2011na, both are compact desktop PC powered by Intel Core i5 processors, but they differ significantly in several key areas. Now we're going to compare them head to head so you can see which one fits your needs better. Starting with the processor, both desktops feature a 12th generation Intel Core i5/12400 CPU. This 6-core 12-thread processor runs at a base clock of 2.5 GHz and can boost up to 4.4 GHz, offering strong performance for general multitasking, productivity, and even some light creative work or gaming when paired with the right GPU. In this category, both systems are on equal footing. However, storage capacity is where the ACER Aspire clearly pulls ahead. It comes with a 1 terabyte SSD storage space, giving you plenty of fast storage for applications, documents, and media files without needing to upgrade anytime soon. In contrast, the HP Slim S01-pF2011na includes only a 256GB storage space, which, while equally fast, is much more limited in capacity. You may find yourself needing external storage or an upgrade sooner than later if you work with large files. When it comes to RAM, both systems are equipped with 8GB of DDR4 memory, which is sufficient for most day-to-day computing tasks, web browsing, office applications, and light multitasking. It is worth noting that both systems allow for RAM upgrade if needed in future. Looking at the graphics, both PCs uses Intel UHD graphics 730 integrated into the Core i5 processor. These integrated graphics are fine for everyday use and media consumption, but they are not designed for modern AAA gaming or GPU intensive workloads like video editing or 3D rendering. If you are looking for gaming performance, you need a system with dedicated graphics. On the connectivity fronts, the ACER Aspire XC-1780 comes with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, giving it the edge in a wireless speed and reliability. The HP Slim, on the other hand, is equipped with Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 4.2, which are still functional but not as fast or efficient as the newer standard in ACER. In terms of ports and expansion, the ACER offers a good mix. Includes USB 3.2 Gen 1, USB 2.0, HDMI, VGA, and audio jacks. The HP Slim also features USB 3.2 and USB 2.0 ports, as well as HDMI and headphone/microphone combo jacks, but lacks the VGA ports found on the ACER. Both units comes with DVD/RW drive, which is useful if you still rely on physical media. The design and form factor of both PCs follow a small form design, ideal for space-saving setups. The ACER Aspire XC-1780 has slightly more modern finish and comes in a matte black. The HP Slim S01-pF2011na is also black and compact, but has a more minimalistic aesthetic. Both can easily fit under or beside a desktop. In terms of operating system, both machines ship with Windows 11 Home 64-bit, ready to use out of box, with support for the latest security and features updates. Both desktops include wired USB keyboard and mouse setup in the box, so you are ready to go without needing to buy accessories separately. In summary, while both desktops share the same powerful 12th generation Core i5 processor and 8GB RAM, the ACER Aspire XC-1780 stands out with a much larger 1TB storage space, faster Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 supports, and slightly more versatile ports selection. The HP Slim S01-pF2011na, while equally capable in terms of processor and memory, may feel more limited in storage and wireless connectivity by comparison. If you prioritize storage space, faster wireless, and more future-proof connectivity, the ACER Aspire XC-1780 is the more rounded choice. But if your needs are more basic and you are operating in a tighter setup, the HP Slim offers solid performance in a compact framework. These PCs deserve your attention. Thank you very much indeed.